everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life with the 2024 31 Days Smashbook Challenge. We're on day 22, and it's pets. Well, right now I only have a little fish. That's all I have for pets. All my pets have gone over to the Rainbow Bridge. So I did them. So here we go. So this is my doggie. That's Misty Girl. And that's Lucy. And that's Paws. I couldn't find a picture of our Melody. It's packed away, and I wasn't digging. So them are my pets, and they're all over the Rainbow Bridge. I miss them all. I keep trying to talk my husband into letting me get a dog. And he gives me this look over his glasses. And he says, honey, and I'm like, what? He goes, go visit the four-legged one's grandchildren in the backyard. That's Xavier and Chantel's dogs. I'm like, but it's not the same. And he's like, oh, well. So I won't be getting a pet anytime soon. Plus, if we want to get on the back of our Harley and go for a weekend, we don't have to worry about finding a babysitter for our dog. And that was a good point on Scott's. So that is pets, day 22. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. See you on day 23.